A rectangular box has a square base. Its height is 1/3 the width of the base. Find a function that models its volume, v, in terms of its width, w. Here we're going to use the formula that we're familiar with for volume, where volume equals the length times the width times the height. We have been told that the width will be w, the volume will be v. What we're missing is a variable for the length. So length we've introduced as the variable L in our formula. Now we go back and read the first sentence. It says that the box has a square base. So although we'll say this is the length, this is the width, and this is the height, since we have a square base, the length equals the width. And so we're going to say L equals W. And as we read the second sentence, its height is 1/3 the width. And so the height is 1/3 of W. Now we're going to substitute the values for H and L in terms of W into the volume formula. So we take out the L and write it as W. We had a W in the second position already, and we're going to put in 1/3 W for the height. And so now we see that V is a function of W. As a matter of fact, it equals 1/3 W cubed, a cubic function.